It's got like a funny tang to it. I mean, if it's not chicken, then what is it?
Hello guys and welcome to the channel.
Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and today we have something a little bit different. We have a vegan sub, and here we have the sub. I'll take it out of the wrapper in a sec. I was going to do a vegan burger from KFC. Turns out the nearest one is about 30 miles away that actually does it, so I went into St. Austell, they didn't have any. Yeah, and obviously he was going to go to Bodmin, but it's not even on their menu. So in the end, we went for the vegan TLC Subway sub, foot long. You see it there on the camera. And basically, if you're not sure what vegan is, it's basically nothing to do with animals. I don't really know. I don't really know much about it. I just thought I'd give it a go, give it a chance. This is called the TLC footlong from Subway. Cost about £5.70. It smells hideous. It has a really weird smell to it. But yeah, this is what it is. It's called TLC because it stands for Taste Like Chicken. So I have no idea what it's going to taste like. And I've never actually had vegan food before, so should be quite interesting. I'm just going to take a bit out of the sub and taste it. It's got like a funny tang to it. I mean, if it's not chicken, then what is it? What is it? I don't really like the taste of that, but... Right, so we're just going to tuck into the sub and see how it goes. Just tastes a bit funny. Can right? Tastes a bit like it's almost.
That's a weird colour.
Try it.
No, it just tastes a bit like chicken.
Yeah. So for me personally, this tastes a bit like chicken. It just tastes a little bit bland, and I'm always going to be like a meat lover. I'm not going to stray towards vegan anyway, so I just love meat, proper meat so much. But this is yeah, a bit bizarre really. It tastes just like moldy chicken, I guess, without all the chicken flavour.
Yeah, it does taste a bit like chicken that is leftovers from a couple of days before.
Mm. Do you want the other half? I don't enjoy it like, no. Just tastes like, I don't know if that might be the cheese with the funny taste. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, if I was you guys, I mean, I'd recommend probably giving it a go and trying it, see if you like it yourself. But from what I can gather, it's not chicken, is it? It's not. I don't know, if you're against all that animal stuff, then fair enough to eat it. But for me, it's just nah. As a true meat lover that loves meat, I don't think that'll be converting me anytime soon. It's just well, it's just a bit. I don't know. Just I'm trying to explain what it is. It's like if you like, say if you've got I don't know. Like you've got like an extra special range, and then you've got your smart price. Say if you've got extra special cheese, and then you go and pick up smart price cheese. You can know there's that massive taste difference, and it tastes sort of the same, but not as good. But I've still got one half of my sub left, and that'll probably be going in the bin because it's not enjoyable at all for me. Not a great experience. If I was to give it a rating out of 10, I mean, probably about a 4. It's definitely not for me, and it doesn't sell that great. Yeah, so that was the review of the Subway Vegan TLC. Tastes like chicken. Obviously, they sell it in Subway, so you can buy it in Subway. Sounds good, doesn't it? But yeah, that's really it for the review. I mean, in there I had chicken, lettuce, cucumber, sweet corn. Not actually chicken, but you know what I mean. Cheese, but overall, not that pleasant. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.